Hi, I'm Sue from createwithsue.com. Welcome. So we're going to have a look at this Siser heat transfer vinyl. It's called EasyPatterns Plus. So it's a patterned vinyl. It's a heat transfer vinyl. HTV is heat transfer vinyl. And it has a little bit of information on the back of the packet. It comes in a few different languages. Wow factor. It's really cute because it's a pattern vinyl, so this is like a variegated vinyl. This one I've chosen. It will adhere to a number of different blanks: polyester, polycotton, probably go with wood, anything that takes HTV. It would accept this vinyl. And take note that it is a bit smaller sized vinyl roll than you normally purchase, 30 centimetres by 50 centimetres or 12 inches by roughly 20 inches. That's a little bit smaller than some of their rolls. When you open it up, you'll find some instructions on how to do it. Also, again, a couple of languages. One, it says, remember to mirror the design, which is a problem for many of us. I popped it onto my mat and used my brayer to adhere it properly. I've used my blue vinyl blade in my scan and cut cutting machine, and off it goes. I've sped some of this up because we would be here for a long while. And I'm going to cut that out. I've added a weeding box, so I'm going to tear that around the weeding box off first, just so I can see my weeding box. I've cut a very, very fine design. This is only a 5.6mm font, the smaller writing. The bigger one was quite a script font, so I wasn't sure how that would go as well. It weeded very easily, which was a good thing. I've used my pin pen for most of this because it is so fine, and you'll see what I mean in a moment when I say fine. And just peel it back onto itself, and it comes away pretty easily. If you have any trouble, turn around, go the other way. Sometimes it peels away a bit better the other way, and this one does in this case. You can just see it just lifting a little bit there. Grab it if it's taking a little letter. As you can see, this is very tiny, this writing. Particularly wanted to see how well it did with tiny writing, and it's done a pretty good job, which is good. Comes in a few different patterns, so I picked this one just for I like this one. Thought it was good with the pinks and the blues and that. Don't forget to weed out the little tiny pieces in the E's and the D's. I've just written on there just to say that it's done with the blue vinyl blade, just so I can remember. And that's how it's weeded. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.